Hey YouTube, if you'd like to see how this set almost didn't happen, stay tuned. This is my very first nail tutorial and it was an epic fail. Epic fail. But I am not a professional, nor would I claim to be a professional, and this is my disclaimer. So, click like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Here. This is my very first tutorial. Today I'm going to do a fall set. Just to let you guys know, I am my own worst critic. What you guys might like, I might not like. What I might like, you might not like. But this is a trial and error. So this is my first time doing this little set. This is my first time doing a set on camera, so this is a trial and error. But I'm just gonna let you guys know some of the things that I'm using today. Today I am using the green tea, color green tea from the Mia Secret Fruity Collection. I'm going to be using the coffee from Mia Secret Fruity Collection. That's that pretty brown color there. I'm going to be using the banana from Mia Secret Fruity Collection. That's that pretty color. And the gold mine from the Mia Secret Carnival Collection. Glitter mix I made myself. It has fall leaves and everything in there. See how pretty that is? See the reflection? Okay, I made this myself. So and I'm also using the Mia Secret clear acrylic, and this is just to encapsulate my nails. All right. The brush today, I am using the Alpha Ted Kalinsky. It's the oval Kalinsky Alpha. And my monomer is also from Mia Secret. All right, so let's get started. What I did right here was I already shaped the nails. I already put my base of clear acrylic. The reason why I put my base of clear acrylic on there is, well, for a mannequin hand, you really could have just went straight on in with the clear. But being the fact that if it was a real person, you would want to put a clear base because it can the pigments from the colored acrylics can change your nail color. It can stain your color, your nails. Okay, so the first thing, let me see, I don't know which one I want to go into. I guess I can go into this glitter that I made. I'm just going to do that one, and I guess the rest of them I will base off of this one. So, guys, I am still like learning this camera situation. Like I said, I never did this on camera. So, this is my glitter. You guys, I don't know if you guys see that the leaves that's in here. I don't know. But see, with the glitter, you can't just like brush it down. You have to kind of like walk it down. You know what I mean? I'm using a little small damper dish right now. I do have a bigger one. I'm hoping. If you guys see me, I don't know what happened, you guys. I'm so sorry. It's like my phone just completely cut off on me. I already done my marble and my glitter nail with the glitter I've made. Like I said, you guys, everything is a trial and error. It's funny. It's funny. You know, I ain't even gonna lie. Just now, I almost just wanted to give up. And be like, no, you know what? Bunk this mess. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, alrighty. So that was my my marble nail I did. I'm sorry, you guys. I hope that I can at least catch the rest of this video on here. You know what I mean? Right now I am applying the banana from the Mia Secret. I'm just applying a thin coat, just enough to, you know, give it that pigmentation. But one thing I noticed about Mia Secret is like you don't know whether if you got a good batch or a bad batch. It's like some of their colors are like very good, very pigmented, and then like some of their colors is like it's real patchy and you get that marble look, which I don't really like, especially not when you're trying to have a straight pigmented color. You know what I mean? So, but I'm trying to, if you, like I was saying, if you guys see me pausing, that's because I'm looking in my viewfinder to make sure that I have everything caught on camera for you guys. I want y'all to be able to see the whole process and what I go through. Okay. Like I said, I'm applying it real thin. I don't want it to be too too bulky. That's what I wanted to say. That's what I wanted to say. I should have got a red out. I think a red. What you guys think? Think a red would be good. But anyway, so with this little video thing with me doing these little YouTube videos, what I had wanted to know was if you guys wanted like storytelling while I do the nails, like, you know, whether something happened to me, something, you know, anything like that, like if anything that happened or just some exciting stuff, you know, get to know me a little better and stuff. That's just so that when I do my videos, it won't be so quiet. I'm trying to make sure that I can keep you guys like in it. You know what I mean? Just in it. I'm thinking I want to do that nail burgundy. But this is the thumb right here. Why you trying to stop my bag? Why you trying to stop my bag? I don't know. I just figured this green would go. Y'all, When I tell you, the devil is working. The devil is working, honey. The devil don't want me to dang gonna do this video. I'm trying to tell you, because this phone just keep cutting off. Just keep dang on cutting off. But I tell you what. Devil, you ain't gonna stop me today. I'm determined. I done did a nice set so far, looking real nice to me. You know what I'm saying? And the devil want to work. He want to work. He want to cut my dang on camera off. This dang on phone. Oh my God. Y'all, I don't even think y'all know how I feel right now about this here phone. I don't even think y'all know him. I swear, I feel like if this phone just cut off on me one more dang on time. One more time, yeah? I'm going to throw this dang on phone across the dang on floor some dang on well. I don't need it. Ain't nobody call me like that. I work too much. I'm tired. I done got off of work at 12:30 this morning. Well, close to 1 this morning. Close to 1 this morning when I got off of work. And decided to make this video, you know, for you guys. Because I know how tired I was when I got off and I didn't want to oversleep, you know what I'm saying? My kids had to go to school today and I didn't want to oversleep, and then they missed they bus. So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking that gold mine from the Mia Secret Carnival collection. Yeah, bear with me. And I'm just putting it on a pinky now. At this point, you guys, it's like, just let's get this thing done. You feel me? Let's just get this thing done. So I'm taking this Carnival from the Mia Secret collection, and I'm just bringing it down in there. And then I got some of those leaves that I use to make my glitter with the leaves on it that y'all see here on the middle finger. I got some of those leaves, and I'm just gonna take some more of this here Mia Secret monomer, and I'm going to stick some of those leaves on there, just so, because it's supposed to be fall, you guys, you know what I mean? It's supposed to be fall. So I just want to add a little bit more leaves to the equation. Get off, Ellie. Get your butt off. Don't do me like that. Okay. Oh Lord, there you go. Now it's picking up now. It's picking up now, y'all. Oh. Stay in place where I put them. You know what I mean? We don't need no more incidents. We don't need no more incidents, yeah. Very first video, and this is how it's turning out, y'all. This is how it's turning out. But it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right, because I'm gonna get better, and when I get better, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, honey. Ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. So while that right there is setting, I'm going to go ahead on to this green finger. That was the finger I was doing anyway. That's where I left off at before my camera just rudely interrupted me. And let's start our encapsulating. Alrighty. Gonna hold that finger there down. You know what I mean? So we can let that acrylic run. Like one of my YouTubers that I be looking at say, if it ain't matte, honey, it ain't cap. So that's what we gonna do. Make sure this bad boy is matte, so we know it's capped. All right. So I don't know. I think I might just be quiet for the rest of this one right here. For the rest of these here nails. Let's try to get this thing on out the way and stuff, because I don't want this video to be too long. Well, I don't know. It might not even be too long because the camera have been cutting off on me halfway through the filming. I keep looking at my monitor. Not my monitor, I'm sorry. A monitor to make sure that the camera is not cutting off. I don't know. I feel like I'm losing my shape, but that's okay. Ain't nothing a little filing can't do. Filing gonna clean that right on up, honey. Let's encapsulate this here marble nail I did. What I should have did, I should have wetted it with the monomer. You know what I mean? So it could have go down.